Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into Hdfc net banking. Do that now. Once logged in, go straight to Profile or Requests, then choose Update Contact Details. Enter the new Gmail address exactly and make sure you can open the new email to verify later. Because the bank links contact changes to the mobile on record, keep your registered phone with you for OTPs. If net banking is unavailable, gather ID documents and head to a branch instead. But net banking is faster. Once you submit the new Gmail and update contact details, Hdfc sends an OTP to your registered mobile. Enter it immediately. After OTP validation, the system triggers an email to the new Gmail. Open that inbox and follow any verification link or instructions. Make sure to wait for confirmation pages and read on-screen messages. They tell you whether the change is instant or pending branch approval. If the portal asks for additional authentication, complete it using the options shown, and then log out and back in to confirm. Finally, verify the new Gmail is listed under contact details and watch for a confirmation SMS or email. That completes the change. If the net banking route fails or shows pending verification, visit the branch with valid ID and request an email update using the prescribed form. Bank staff will process and confirm. If you don't receive OTPs, make sure your registered mobile number is correct and network active. Request an OTP resend. And if problems persist, escalate at the branch for manual processing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.